Welcome to our training video. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to connect your Wix store with IDMC for a seamless and integrated experience. Let's get started. Once you have logged into your IDMC dashboard, look towards the left side and find the Domains section. When you click on Domains, you will see an option to connect a store. Go ahead and click on Connect Store. After you select Connect Store, a new window will appear prompting you to connect with Wix. Here you will choose Connect to Wix. Next, you will be asked to click on Connect Store. At this point, you will see a button that says Let's Connect. Click it and simply follow the on-screen prompts to install app and select your published store. Once it's complete, your newly added store will appear in your dashboard. Take a moment to look over your dashboard and confirm that everything has been set up correctly. If you see your store listed, congratulations, you have successfully connected your Wix store with IDMC. Now you can enjoy a smoother workflow and better integration, making your store management more efficient than ever. If you need any help, please reach out to our support team, who will be happy to assist you.